EDU 946 American History Teaching Tools. When social studies teachers are given big swaths of history to teach, how can we decide what is important? What kinds of classroom activities can be used to encourage students to investigate historical details while also seeing the big picture? In American History Teaching Tools, you'll examine digital and non-digital methods of organizing and presenting American history, focusing on content organizational strategies, standards, and essential question development. In EDU 946, you will create strategies for students to develop their own content knowledge from essential questions, apply strategies for organizing course content in logical, chronological, and thematic ways, create original methods of content organization for your classroom, analyze the link between content organization strategies and standards. This course is designed for upper-level elementary, middle, and high school teachers of social studies subjects. You will be highly encouraged to produce coursework specifically designed for your own classroom. Please see the course description on the Eduspire website, www.eduspire.org, for more information and to register and enroll.